welcome to Santuji's Fairy Tale. Today I'm gonna make a mug cake. So there are the ingredients we need. So first is, here is the first ingredient. So my mom is gonna put in and I'm gonna just put it in.
3-4 spoons of all-purpose flour.
And you need this kind of spoon to make it. So the next ingredient is
1 spoon cocoa powder.
This much.
2 spoons of sugar.
Oh my goodness, so much sugar.
2 actually. 3.5 or 3 is okay.
3 cups. Why did you put 4 cups?
It's just a little bit.
Oh.
Then
What's this?
baking powder.
Baking powder. It's so
1/4
tiny.
spoon baking powder.
I don't know why we need to put baking powder.
So it gets fluffy.
Fluffy. Oh. Or it would be cracked like a stone. Right?
Yes.
My gosh. Or maybe it could explode.
Just a pinch of baking soda.
Baking soda.
Pinch of salt.
Salt. I don't know how we put salt in a cake.
Now I'll put milk and you stir it.
Okay.
First mix the dry ingredients.
Okay. So much. Look how. Mix it always very, very well. Very. Oh my gosh, it's so white. Like light brown actually. Oh my goodness, goodness, goodness.
Now I'll put milk little by little and you mix it.
Wow, look, look. My goodness, goodness, how much. Look, it's so getting chocolatey. It's kind of looking chocolate actually.
You have to put 2 spoons of oil.
What else can we put without oil?
Butter.
Also butter.
But with oil it will be more moist.
So much to mix. Oh, look at my spoon. Can I taste a little bit?
No, not right now.
Okay. Oh, there is some over here.
Little bit of milk more. Now mix it properly.
Oh my goodness. Look at this chocolate. It's so yummy looking. Now I can taste it.
Okay, you can. Just stir.
Yummy, delicious. This is perfect. We'll keep this mug cake into the microwave for 1 minute. So hard to wait for 1 minute. Oh, it's done, I guess. We can't wait to look inside. How does it look? How does it look? Delicious. It's already cooked.
You want to put some icing on it?
Yes, please. Now I'm gonna put this fruit icing into the cup. How much have much is enough, I guess. And now I just have to spread it out. Now I'm going to eat this yummy little shit.
It's hot. Be careful.
Oh, let me...
Take a small bite.
Maybe it's too hot. Let me take a very small bite. I forgot some icing. Now it's done. Yum, yum, yum. If you are bored in the lockdown, you must make this cake. So this was my cake. If you're bored in the lockdown, you must make this cake to taste. And if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and give me a like up.